What is constructor overloading and whether it is possible in the Python programming or not? Generally, the constructor overloading in the sense one or more constructors with different parameters list so that with the help of that all the constructors we can perform different tasks. So here the constructor overloading in the sense it is very simple, more than one constructor with different parameters. At a time we can take more than one constructor, three constructor let us assume. For the first constructor you can take one parameter, for the second constructor you can take two parameters, for the third constructor you can take three or four parameters. Constructor overloading in the sense more than one constructor with different parameters list. So in the Python, one of the most important note is in the Python it does not support constructor overloading concept. What will happen if you are going to define multiple constructors in the program? The Python interpreter will consider only the last constructor, and that too while at the time of creation of the object of the class. Definitely we need to match the number of arguments with the last constructor only. Otherwise it will throw an error if the sequence of the arguments does not match with the last constructor. Don't worry, I will explain it with the help of example. So here the main important points are constructor overloading in the sense more than one constructor with different parameters list. One constructor is having one parameter, second constructor is having two parameters, third constructor is having some n number of parameters. This concept we can simply call it as a constructor overloading, but in the Python it does not support constructor overloading. Let me try to take one example. So we have one simple class is there, the class name is sample. So within the sample class, the first constructor is having one parameter. Let me try to take one constructor, def underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So this is the default constructor. Let me try to print one message, default constructor. As well as within the same program, let me try to take one more constructor. So within this constructor, let me try to provide one explicit parameter. So along with the self keyword, let me try to provide one explicit parameter. So the explicit parameter is, let us assume one simple variable a. So let me try to print one message, single param constructor. And in the same class, I want to take one more constructor which is having two explicit parameters along with the self keyword a comma b. So within that the print one simple print statement is two param constructor, two parameterized constructor. So in this class more than one constructor, totally 1, 2, 3, three constructors are available, but each and every constructor we are having different parameters list. The first one is default constructor, second one is single parameterized constructor, and the third one is two parameterized constructor. Every constructor has its own context. The first constructor related message is default constructor, second constructor related message is single parameterized constructor, and the third constructor related message is two parameterized constructor. So this concept we can simply call it as constructor overloading. But unfortunately in the Python program does not support constructor overloading concept. Out of all the available constructors, whatever the constructor that is available in the last position, as per that constructor only we can create the object of the class. For the last constructor, how many parameters we need to pass? Well, at the time of creation of the object, definitely we need to pass two parameters. If the number of parameters in the last constructor, if it does not match with the object creation, then automatically you will get the error. Try to check it now. So out of all the constructor, let me try to create the object of the class with the help of default constructor. Default constructor in the sense without passing any parameters, I am trying to create the object of the class, and here my assumption is So automatically the default constructor will be coming into the picture, and the message that we are getting here is default constructor. No, it is not at all correct. The reason is, in the Python programming, constructor overloading concept is not at all possible. Out of all the available constructors, the last constructor related syntax is suitable while at the time of creation of the object of the class. So for the last constructor, we need to pass two explicit parameters. Otherwise, it is going to get error message. Try to check it now. I am trying to create the object for the class which is suitable for the default constructor of the class. What will happen? You will definitely get the error message. Try to check it. So here the error message is type error, and it is getting the message in the format of missing two required positional arguments for A and B. The reason is, so in the Python interpreter, it is always matching the last constructor among all the constructors which are available in the class. So while at the time of creation of the object also, as per the last constructor syntax only, we need to pass the parameters. For the last constructor, we need to pass two parameters. So let me try to pass two parameters 10, 20, so that there is no problem. Out of all the available constructors, the last constructor is having two parameters, so that there is no problem at all. You can create the object of the class, while at the time of creation of the object of the class, we can invoke this constructor, and within this constructor, whatever the message that is available, we can print it. Try to check it now. So if I'm going to run this program, definitely we'll get two parameterized constructor method related message. So out of all the three available constructors, for suppose the default constructor is existing in the last position, what will happen? So the default constructor related context is available in the last position. So definitely, while at the time of creation of the object also, as per the last constructor syntax, we need to create the object. For the last constructors, none of the parameters are available. Self is the default parameter. So within this self, the current class object nature will be available, and we need not to pass any explicit parameters. But here I am passing two explicit parameters, which is matching with the two parameterized constructor. But here in the last position, we are having default constructor. Definitely we'll get the error message only. Try to check it now. We'll get the error message. So there is no doubt at all. Now, without passing the arguments, let me try to check it. Definitely it is suitable for the last constructor. Last constructor is the default constructor. For this constructor, we need not to pass any parameters. Automatically, while at the time of creation of the object, we can invoke it. Try to check it. The message that we are getting here is default constructor. And in the similar format, let me try to take the single parameterized constructor as the last constructor. Now, here out of all the constructors, single parameterized constructor is the last constructor, so that while at the time of creation of the object of the class also, we need to pass at least one parameter. The reason is, the last constructor is single parameterized constructor. The Python interpreter will always matching with the last constructor. The parameters counts in the object creation is matching with the last parameterized constructor related parameters count. So here we need to pass single parameter, but while at the time of creation of the object, I did not pass any parameter. What will happen? You will definitely get the error message. Now let me try to pass minimum one argument which is suitable for the last constructor syntax, so that the message that we are getting here is single parameterized constructor. Try to check it. There is no doubt at all, you will get the single parameterized constructor related message. I hope with this you got the complete idea regarding what is constructor overloading, and in the Python whether the constructor overloading is supportable or not. No, in the Python it does not support constructor overloading concept. Out of all the available constructors, the interpreter is always looking or consider the last constructor. So as per the last constructor only, we need to pass the number of arguments while at the time of creation of the object of the class. That's all. And one more important point is, constructor does not return anything. Please remember it. So the constructor is always returning none. Nothing will be written from the constructor. We should not return anything from the constructor. So let me try to take one constructor. It may be default or parameterized or any constructor. From the constructor, we should not return anything. Return. So I am trying to return some boolean value. Let me try to return true value here. So is it acceptable? No. So it is a simple default constructor. It is a simple default constructor. It is a simple default constructor. From this constructor, I am trying to returning something. The return value is in the format of boolean. Is it acceptable? No. The reason is the constructor does not return anything. Try to check it. If I am trying to return true value, what will happen? Init should not return none. So init the constructor is always returning nothing. It does not return anything. The return value is none. It should not return boolean value. Please remember it. If I am going to return none, what will happen? Try to check it. Is it acceptable or not? If I am going to run this program, definitely it is acceptable. Constructor is always returning none value. Apart from the none value, we should not return anything. We should not return boolean value, or we should not return string message also. Try to check it. If I am trying to return the string message, it is not at all acceptable. The constructor is always returning none. It does not return anything. So if you are trying to return something, in the sense, it should be none value only. We should not return string value or integer value or boolean value or something else. Please remember this point. That's all. With this, I hope you got the complete idea regarding what is constructor, as well as is the constructor overloading is possible in the Python programming or not. That's all. Thank you.